that they're good to go and they can start using the new server. So this is the line in which you can plan for your upgrade and actually perform the execution. So as I already told, we have been getting many requests from the customers wherein they are having a lot of challenges in understanding the upgradation process and about the installation methods and the components that are present, about WAS, about IHS. So we saw that many of them are getting confused, having issues in understanding. So this year we have proactively started a program which is called the Upgrade Assistance Program. This applies both for ClearCase and ClearQuest. So in this program, what we are offering is from the IBM support, we are proactively looking at the clients, tracking and seeing who are the clients who are on the older version, trying to contact them and advise them, recommend them, give a brief about what are the new features available, and then suggest them to go on to an upgrade. And we are not ending at that level. We are also collaborating with them, integrating with them in a way that we will have regular update calls with them, their management, try to understand what is their requirement, what are all constraints they have, what is the existing setup, what are the new setup that they can procure. And in this stage, we will be sharing all the system requirements, hardware related data, software related data that they can plan for procuring. We would also help them in documenting these procedures, documenting the system requirements, and provide them relevant content so that they'll not have to manually go and check into our IBM sites about what are the known issues, if there are any known issues, and what is the upgrade procedure, what are the installation steps. So from support, we would be dedicating one particular resource who will be working hand in hand with that particular account or a client throughout the upgradation and making sure that the upgradation process is seamless and it happens successfully without any major challenges. So this is one of the major programs that we are running this year. So the key thing is this program is available at no additional cost. So if you are one customer who is interested in upgrading your setup, then you can always drop an email to this support ID which you are seeing in the slide, and also you can drop an email to my manager Mamta. So even her email is here, so you can get into a dialogue with us and see what is the feasible time, and if you have any deadlines, we can start looking at it. We can help you out right from the requirement stage to up to the execution. So in between, if you have any issues, you can directly contact to the contact person, and we would help you out with the relevant data and make sure that you have a very pleasant experience during the throughout or the overall upgradation activity. So this was about the upgrade assistance program. And some of the upcoming open mics that we are planning are a detailed open mic or a detailed tech talk about the ClearTeam Explorer, and we are also looking at the OSLC based integration between CC and CQ. We also introduced the ACL, so we would be giving more details about how you would implement ACLs, what are the ways of implementation, administrating ACLs, using the role and the policy-based combinations. So these are some of the topics. And if you feel that you would need any additional topics or additional information from us, you can always post a PMR, contact us, or you can always drop an email to the support ID requesting whichever topic or information that you are looking help from us. We would be very glad to help you on that. These are some of the reference links that talks about the system requirements, the product compatibility between third-party tools, and the WAS related work.